Question 1. The world's newest country, which was founded on 9th July 2011 is A. Hong Kong, B. Myanmar, C. South Sudan, D. Papua New Guinea. The answer is C. South Sudan. Question 2. Buddhism is world's fourth largest religion. It is believed to be originated in A. China, B. India, C. Japan, D. Thailand. The answer is B. India. Question 3. About what percent of world's freshwater reserves are frozen in the continent of Antarctica? A. 60%, B. 70%, C. 80%, D. 90%. The answer is B. 70%. Question 4. Which of the following country does not yield veto power in the United Nations Security Council, UNSC? A. China, B. Russia, C. Canada, D. France. The answer is C. Canada. Question 5. According to the scientists, how many galaxies are there in the universe? A. 10 million, B. 100 million, C. 10 billion, D. 100 billion. The answer is D. 100 billion. Question 6. Which continent of the world is the driest and the windiest? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Antarctica, D. Australia. The answer is C. Antarctica. Question 7. What play the most important role in regulating temperature and determining climate on the Earth? A. Oceans, B. Mountains, C. Deserts, D. Forests. The answer is A. Oceans. Question 8. In plants, the process of pollination enables A. Photosynthesis, B. Fertilization, C. Gymnosperm, D. None of these. The answer is B. Fertilization. Question 9. Which of the following enzyme catalyzes the hydrolysis of starch into sugars? A. Sucrose, B. Catalase, C. Maltase, D. Amylase. The answer is D. Amylase. Question 10. Which of the following is a tissue? A. Blood, B. Lungs, C. Kidney, D. Ovary. The answer is A. Blood. Question 11. The position of an element in the periodic table is determined by its m dash number. A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Neutron, D. Positron. The answer is B. Proton. Question 12. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Silicon. The answer is A. Oxygen. Question 13. Which imaginary line divides the Earth into the northern and the southern hemispheres? A. Equator, B. South Pole, C. North Pole, D. Axis of rotation. The answer is A. Equator. Question 14. What is the approximate average thickness of the Earth's continental crust? A. 5 miles, B. 15 miles, C. 25 miles, D. 35 miles. The answer is C. 25 miles. Question 15. Meteorology is the study of A. Air, B. Atmosphere, C. Environment, D. Weather. The answer is D. Weather. Question 16. The word geography comes from Greek word geographia, which literally means A. Life and planet, B. Living habits, C. Location parameters, D. Earth description. The answer is D. Earth description. Question 17. The first person who used the word geography was A. Aristotle, B. Eratosthenes, C. Plato, D. Socrates. The answer is B. Eratosthenes. Question 18. The wind speed between 105 to 136 km per hour normally results in A. Minor damage, B. Moderate damage, C. Considerable damage, D. Severe damage. The answer is A. Minor damage. Question 19. Which from the following substance has the lowest albedo? A. Desert, B. Snow, C. Water, D. Grass. The answer is C. Water. Question 20. The knot is a unit of speed equal to 1 nautical mile per hour and is equal to A. 1.252 km per hour, B. 1.452 km per hour, C. 1.652 km per hour, D. 1.852 km per hour. The answer is D. 1.852 km per hour.